Guys, we're driving now and I have on the lane departure warning, so the light is green up here, so this means it's on and it's working. So if I start to swerve over onto either side of the line, it's going to beep at me to go back into my correct lane. And alright, so now we're doing the standard LKA. So basically this is the same thing as the lane departure, but now if I start to go over onto the line, it's going to pull me back into place. So for instance, I'm gonna go over, it's gonna beep out at me, and it pulled me right back over into place. And there's a steering wheel up here right next to the lane departure warning. That's to tell you that your LKA is on and working. Alright, so the last one that I'm doing right now is the active LKA. So when you're driving, if you start to veer off, it's going to beep at you and pull you back into place and keep you going in the right direction. So I'm gonna start to get over, and it should start to beep at me. Not quite yet because there is a car next to me, so I don't want to go too far over, but I'll try this again. It beeps and it pulls me right back in, and it's going to keep me in the lane and keep me on the curve, so I stay in between the lines. And again, this one has the circle steering wheel so that you know that it's on and it's working. Alright guys, thanks for watching this. I hope you found it fun and informative. Stay tuned for next week and we'll have another video for you.